Yung adobo.
Okay.
Dalawa lang ang...
Third quarter. Isa lang dalawa. 25-24.
Ay, change court.
Gravy to shoot. Tanggol for three. Ibama naman sa dyan.
Tupas.
Ramones for three. Wala. Rebound time. Number 88. Shadow. Tanggol for number 64. Tupas. Holding foul, committed by number 71. Tupas is lower.
1 point.
Second throw is play. Shadow pass to the number 9 to take the studio. 40 to shoot. Caballero. Ako na lang. Ganito ang basketball. Relax ball.
Hangin lang na. Alam yung dati na umatras ka siya.
20 to shoot.
14.
Benitez.
Umatras.
14 yun? Lahat ng front court, 14. Pag sa back court, 20.
40 to shoot. Free throw Tanggol. First foul. First foul. Confusion.
Ayan!
Tupas.
Lock.
Tupas na rin tayo Caballero. 40 to shoot. A 3 seconds violation. By number 6. Shadow.
Ito.
Tope Castelo. There is a whistle committed by number. Rebound by Castillo again. Tope Castillo. Wala. Tope Castillo. Tope. Pass to number 20. Tupas. 50 to shoot. Intercept by number 74, Pastor Shadow. Shadow to Tope. Castillo yan. First throw is correct. Second throw. Tope Castillo.
Shoot!
Yes, ma'am. King of the art, Tope Castillo. Kuya, number 66, cover the ball by Tope.
Takbo! Labas!
Shadow, rebound by number 6. Pastor Ovalde.
Nice one!
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Ramones. 5 to shoot.
Sab.
20 seconds to the second laban. Shadow. Looking for the pivot. Pass to Polio. To Shadow. Shadow to Benitez.
Sok!
Benitez, the ball of the shot.
Tupas.
Tupas. Paglaban natin Shadow. Foul number 18, Sanas. Shoot to pick a goal. The champion of the art, Nice one, sabi ni Inday.
4-point lead.
30 against 26.
4-point lead.
4-4-3, Davis.
Meron, meron.
Time out.
Time out, time out. Time out, time out. Ah, maya.
Meron siya. Pasos. No goal. For 3, no goal rebound by Shadow. Pass to Castillo. Castillo. Pass to Topas. Topas.
Tayo masa.
32 against 20.
Ilan na assist nun?
Last 3 minutes.
Tatlo na assist nun.
Tupas. Second in the play. Second in the shoot. Tupas. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Benitez. Castillo. Pass to Benitez. Benitez to Castillo. Shadow.
Reserve time out, reserve.
Caballero. No good. Rebound. Release a whistle.
Rep, time out.
Foul number 28. Shadow. Tupas. 32 against 28. Amangan 28. Topas. Obalde. Bang!
2 points.
2 points by Obalde. 32 against 30. 2 points lead. Relax. Okay, Castillo. Flipping the shoot. Guarded by Asuncion. Last 1 minute, 9.5 seconds. Tupas. Guarded by Caballero. Pass to Silas. Rebound by Shadow. Castillo drive and connect.
2 points.
2 points by Tope Castillo. 34 against 30. Last one minute and 23 seconds. 20 to shoot. Silas. Silas for 3. Wala rebound by. Pilihan sa Shadow. Shadow. No good rebound by. Passes. Itabas ang shot. Last 55 seconds. Asuncion. Rebound by Benitez. Pass to Shadow.
Nice, nice.
40 to shoot.
9. Pasa!
Tope Castillo.
Pili, Asuncion.
Last 40 seconds. Silas. Silas right. No good rebound by Castillo. 40 to shoot. Shadow. Last 40 seconds.
Down.
Nahangin, nahangin.
First row Shadow is good.
Alam mo guys, relax.
Second row Shadow is blank. 37 against 30. Last 25 seconds. Easy to shoot. Asuncion. Topas for 3. Wala rebound by Silas. 40 to shoot. Foul number 9. Relax, 40 foul. One for penalty. First row Silas is. No good.
Pero basta kakancel yung registration dito.
Second row Silas. No good.
Kamaliwala dyan. Kamaliwala dyan. Talo. Amoy mo, baka nakainom ta rep. Nakainom yata.
Caballero.
Asa namin siya?
Last 5 seconds.